All right, guys, this is Teresa from 413 Print and Press. I'm going to show you guys basically how, if you're ordering a gang sheet, how it will look. I'm in the process of prepping to get some things together for graduation, and I'm going to be pressing them, but I'm going to chop this video up first. I'm going to show you how everything looks, like I said, if you're getting a gang sheet and how clear everything comes out. I did have a shop in West Springfield, Mass. I ended up closing it and bringing everything home. For some that may know, because my daughter started having seizures, me working a regular job and having a print shop, not being home, she's having seizures. It's not good. So when I've seen her have the seizure, I'm like, okay, gotta close the shop. So brought everything home. This is not everything. I have stuff in my garage. So I have this heat press right here. I love this heat press the best because it gives even tone. What's the name of this? That one's the HTV Ront. I wish that they would get a bigger size for that press because I would absolutely buy it. So HTV Ront, please make a bigger heat press. Then I have this one right here. Now this one automatically comes up on its own and it doesn't jerk. So that's lovely. This one comes up on its own as well if I set it, but it jerks. And then I can pull it up myself as well. So when I'm doing sublimation, I don't put that on automatic to pull up on its own. But when I'm doing something else, I have it doing that. Now over here, I have my sublimation printer. And let's see if we can, this printer right here, I do all my banners and other things with. And then you have both of my mug presses right there, up and down, the hat press. And then I have a cameo silhouette down there. I have a 30 by 40 heat press in my garage. And I have some other stuff. I have one, two, three. I have three other printers over here. I gave about 5 printers away because I wasn't using them and they were brand new. Like all 5 of them I used probably 1 or 2 times, and I let it sit because I relocated. So I just gave them away, told the people, hey, you can have them for free. You got to unclog them. They've really not been used. Anybody that knows the story, I got swindled for a DTF printer a year ago. Not this summer that passed, but the summer before. So I'm contemplating if I'm still going to get a DTF printer, or am I going to get a laser printer, or what? I was going to upgrade this right here, but I really don't have to, because if I'm doing a all over shirt, all I got to do is paste the size down. So it's not a necessity to get one of these. So I may get the new DTF printer that they have out, the one that stands up. People claim it's more reliable look when you're doing wide form, when you're doing a gang sheet. So I'm going to push this table back. It's on wheels. Now I do have, this equipment is going to come out of my house next month sometimes. Sometime I have another shop that I am renting. So if you're buying a gang sheet, it will come on a roll. Let me get this. It will come on a roll. Oh, let me not put that right there. It will come on a roll. And it will look like this. You see how clear this is? Very clear. Now this is for a small all-around shirt. I have the, I'll show you. So this is for a small overall shirt. I forget what the other stuff is for, but this is for a stole. This is for some other stuff, right? So it will come like this. Like I said, the prints are very clear. Now I did accidentally mess up on one of the prints, so I had to reprint some stuff. So it's right here. Sometimes when you don't measure right, you have to finagle some stuff. So if you are looking for prints, I got you. Head over to 413printandpress.com and order your gang sheets. So I will go ahead and let you guys see me cut some of this stuff down and prepare to press it. So stay tuned for that.